Hi guys, I'm Adam, one of the co-head chefs at Glenarty Road, and today we're going to be doing a sunflower head caponata. Traditionally, caponata would be like using eggplant as the sort of the hero of the dish, but yeah, we're going to be using the sunflower heads. In your autumn pack, we've included some verjuice that we've made on the farm. It just gives like a really nice vibrant acidity to the caponata. All right, so firstly guys, we're going to clean our sunflower head. We're going to remove the petals and we're going to set these aside to garnish. Yeah, we want to remove this whole outside layer here, and we just want to use this, the heart in here. There's not a whole lot of heart there, so yeah, you just want to take your time and make sure you get the most out of it. So now that that's sunflower heads all prepared guys, we're just going to go a bit of oil, olive oil and salt. We're just going to char grill our sunflower hearts just till they're nice and golden and crispy. Turning these pretty regularly guys, so just get a nice like even golden colour. So these sunflower hearts have been on the grill for about 10 minutes. Yeah, I've been turning them really frequently. So I'm going to pull these off now and just set those aside, and we'll go and prepare the rest of the caponata. So first off, we're just going to sweat our onions and garlic, just in some good quality olive oil. Just so it's nice and soft and translucent. Just be really careful you don't want to burn your garlic. And then we're going to go in with our celery, and we'll add our capsicum and our cherry tomatoes. Just want to let these cherry tomatoes break down a bit, and we'll let these simmer for sort of 8 to 10 minutes. And now I'm just going to add in olives and capers, verjuice, and our vincotto. This is to get sort of just a nice sort of sweet and sour action happening in the sauce. We're just going to simmer this for another sort of 5 to 6 minutes, just to really get these tomatoes to break down. So we're up to the final stage of our caponata now. So we're just going to turn that right down into a really low heat and add in our char-grilled sunflower hearts. Fold those through really nicely. We don't want to mush up our sunflower hearts. Also, we're just going to add half of our picked basil. Just going to fold that through nice and gently. Save the other half to garnish with later. But yeah, we're ready to plate. We're just going to finish that with some roasted pine nuts. The rest of those fresh basil leaves on the top. Some of the petals from the sunflower. And then a generous pour of some good quality olive oil. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Yeah, it'd be a really good companion just with some nice fresh bread, some good company, and some of our beautiful Glenarty wine.